Application of osmotic pressure in the determination of relative molecular mass, which is a qualitative property, osmotic pressure. Therefore, using this qualitative property, how will you determine the molecular mass of a substance? Van Hoff established that the solute particles present in a solution behave exactly like molecules of a gas, and osmotic pressure of the dilute solution is equal to the pressure which the solute would exert if it were a gas at the same temperature and occupying the same volume as that of the solution. This is Van Hoff's discovery, and he also found out that the ordinary laws obeyed by the gases are also obeyed by dilute solution. The ordinary gas laws, when applied to solutions, are referred to as the laws of osmotic pressure. First one, Van Hoff-Boyle's law. Van Hoff modified the Boyle's law based on the first view. That means the solute particles can also act as gas molecules. According to this law, the osmotic pressure of a dilute solution is directly proportional to its concentration provided the temperature remains constant. Let pi be the osmotic pressure and C be the concentration of the dilute solution. According to this law, pi is directly proportional to C at constant temperature. Let this be equation number 1. If the concentration of the solution is expressed in moles per liter and capital V is the volume containing 1 mole of the solute, concentration C is equal to 1 by capital V. Therefore, substituting the value of C in the first equation, we can write pi is proportional to 1 by V at constant temperature. Let this be equation number 2. This relationship is similar to the Boyle's law for gases and is known as Van Hoff-Boyle's law. Second one, Van Hoff-Charles law. According to this law, osmotic pressure of a dilute solution is directly proportional to the absolute temperature if the concentration of the solution is kept constant. Mathematically, pi, which is the osmotic pressure, directly proportional to the absolute temperature T at constant concentration. This relationship is similar to the Charles law for gases and is known as Van Hoff-Charles law. Next one, Van Hoff-Avogadro's law. According to this law, equal volumes of the solution contain equal number of moles of the solute provided their osmotic pressure and temperature are the same. This statement is similar to Avogadro's law for gases and is known as Avogadro-Van Hoff's law.